Your Bosch dishwasher is flashing E24 and then an E17 water fill error, but don't worry, we're fixing that right now. This common Bosch dishwasher error code means the machine isn't getting water when it should be, or the system is detecting a problem with the fill cycle. If the first method of simply turning the main water supply off and on doesn't clear the E24 and E17 codes, the issue often lies with the water inlet system itself, which leads us directly to method 2. Method 2 involves carefully inspecting and cleaning the water inlet filter screen, located where the hose connects to the dishwasher, ensuring no debris is blocking the water flow. If those steps don't resolve the E17 and E24 errors, the control board might need a nudge, bringing us to method 3, which is a hard reset of the dishwasher's control panel by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Finally, if the E17 and E24 codes persist after these steps, method 4 suggests a quick inspection of the water inlet valve for any physical obstructions or damage before reconnecting power.